After a long absence due to injuries, you are ready to rejoin your squad and resume your post as Chief Warrant Officer. Follow Captain Jones's lead through the training obstacle course. There are no hostiles on the training grounds. Do not shoot your squad mates.
Whoa, Chief, that was a bad one. Try to move your head. Drag on the screen to your right and left. Great! Now look up and down in the same way. Excellent. Now follow me. All's well, Chief. Go on, your squad is waiting for you.
See the location of your objective via the arrow at the top of the screen. Go ahead and link up with them.
Just couldn't stay away from the suck, huh, Chief? Good to see you anyways.
Great to see you back. And almost in fighting shape. Just kidding.
Okay, listen up. Command has a new mission for us. Operation Sandstorm.
Kinda sounds poetic, don't it? Well, Operation Get Cooked in the Desert just don't have the same ring.
All right, you knuckleheads. We move out in 0100. Chief, stick around. First, let's do a quick practice run. Approach an obstacle and press the jump button to jump over it. A similar icon will appear whenever you can execute an action. You can also keep moving forward into a small obstacle to jump over it. Looks like you're injured. Don't worry, you'll be fine in a sec, Chief. You can crouch by tapping the icon next to the virtual stick. Now tap the icon again to stand up. Now let's gear you up. Come here. How about you pick up some ammo for your gun to start? Now grab a second gun from that weapons crate. Okay, let's hit the shooting range. You know the drill. Shoot them targets dead, Chief. Nice shot. To reload, just tap the weapon icon once. When you're close enough, you can auto-target the head for more damage. Great job, Chief. Now come over here. Looking good. Now let's try your other weapon. Okay, now let's go for more distant targets. Hit the iron sights icon. Now shoot those targets. Yeah, looks like you're still the best shot in the unit, Chief. Okay, now let's head to the grenade stand. To throw a grenade, tap the grenade icon. Now try to hit the dummies over there. Nice. Instant dummy confetti. Gotta love it. To switch to flash grenade, double tap the grenade icon. There, not too hard, was it? Now follow me. See that dummy? Move close to him. To To execute a melee hit, just shoot the target while up close. Looks like you haven't lost your edge, Chief. Okay, now come with me to the training grounds. All right, Chief, let's put it all together. Violence and mayhem. Let's rendezvous and move out.
Multiple encrypted satellite transmissions intercepted from a remote desert hotspot to an unidentified Middle Eastern location. Intel believes a new terrorist cell is setting up shop and recruiting foreign insurgents. Knock out communication towers to undermine the operations of the suspected terrorist recruitment and training facility. Little resistance is expected. Area seems clear of civilians. Use of lethal force permitted. Maintain element of surprise.
Gracias por ver este video. No olvides darle like y suscribirte. Nos vemos en la próxima. Adiós.